how to manage permission and privacy settings in your Microsoft Teams account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can manage the privacy settings of your Microsoft Teams account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is click onto the settings and more button at the top right corner just beside your profile picture. And once you'll do this, you can click onto the settings option, or alternatively you can also press the control and the comma button, and you will be landed onto this page. Now within this settings page you will see this third option, which is notifications and activity, and just below this the accounts and aux, and here is the privacy option right here in this menu. So once you will click onto privacy, you can see all of the privacy related settings, and from here you can manage all of the factors that affect your privacy, like you can manage how people can find you, your read receipts, your profile, and other extended diagnostic data as well. So here are some of the settings that you can explore, and you can play with them in order to figure out your privacy settings. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.